In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add user to Reddit Ads Manager. First, open your web browser and search for Reddit ads. Look for the official result that takes you to Reddit's advertising platform. This is usually ads.reddit.com. And click it to open the Ads Manager homepage. Next, sign in. Select Log In at the top. Then choose the option that matches how you normally access Reddit. If you don't already have a personal Reddit account, select Sign Up and create one. The Ads Manager uses your Reddit identity to manage permissions. Once you're in, open the main navigation by clicking the hamburger menu, the 3 stacked lines, in the top left corner. A sidebar will slide out. Scroll down until you see the Business section, then select Users. This is where you manage who has access to your organization and ad accounts. Choose Invite New Members. In the field provided, enter the email address associated with the person's Reddit account. This needs to be the email they use on Reddit so the invitation connects to the right profile. You'll now pick a business role for the person you're inviting, typically administrator or member. Administrators can manage organization settings and users, while members have more limited organization-wide permissions. Make your selection and click Next. On the next screen, choose exactly which ad accounts this person should be able to access. For each selected account, assign an account-level role such as analyst, creator, or administrator. Think of this as a second layer of control. The business role covers organization-wide access, and the account role defines what they can do within each specific ad account. For example, view-only reporting, create and edit campaigns, or full administrative control. When everything looks correct, click Confirm to send the invitation. The system will email the user a link, and they must accept that invite to complete the process and appear in your user list. A few tips as you wrap up. Make sure you have the necessary admin permissions to invite users. If the person doesn't receive the email, ask them to check spam or promotions folders. And if they don't yet have a Reddit account tied to that email, they'll need to create one before the invite will work. You can update or remove access later from the user's page. When in doubt, start with the least access and expand as needed. If you manage multiple brands, assign roles per ad account to keep data separate. Quick guide. Analyst is view-only, creator can build and edit campaigns, and administrator has full control within that account. That's it. You've successfully added a user to Reddit Ads Manager.